Hello guys, welcome to this new video. So I have started solving CBSE board exam class 10th question paper subject mathematics. This is the question from series F6 EGH set 3 and question paper code is 430/6/3. Question is from section A. Before starting the question, I would like to say that I have downloaded this paper from CBSE official website and you can go there and download it. So the question says is that in the graph of the polynomial, this is a graph of the polynomial which is given. This is x axis and this is y axis. Px is shown. So this is the polynomial Px. This is the graph. Find the number of zeros of Px. So these are the four options: 3, 1, 2, 4. So the right answer is option B, 2. So I have written this much theory just to make you understand why it is so. Suppose x1 and x2 are the 2 points where the Px is cutting this x-axis. So suppose x1 and x2 are the zeros of the polynomial. So what will happen if a particular coordinate or a particular point is a zero of a polynomial? So at that point, suppose that point is t. So the p of t value will be 0. Just an example I have given. P of t value will be 0. Suppose that x1 and x2 are the two zeros of the polynomial. As the xy have chosen x1 and x2 are the only points from the x-axis because p of x is there. So definitely different points of x will be tested in this polynomial just to check that in which points of x or in which points of x-axis this is exactly equals to 0. Now at px1 and px2, here you can clearly see that p of x1 and p of x2 is 0 or y coordinates are 0. Okay, because here the px is touching the x-axis at 2 points. So since it is cut px1 and px2 are 0 and px, or you can also say that px is intersecting x-axis at these 2 points, so definitely there will be 2 zeros. In order to make this very short, the polynomial graph, if it is given to you in the exam, simply just calculate that how many times it is cutting x-axis. If p of x is there, now suppose if p of y would have been there, then the number of zeros would have been 1. Why? Because the variable which is given, only those points or the different points of that particular axis is taken in this polynomial just to find that in which particular point this px value tends to 0. Here at 2 points of x this value tends to 0, so there are 2 zeros. So if p of y would have been there, then there would be definitely only 1 zeros would have been existing. So kindly keep this in mind. For this particular question I have only written it is intersecting x-axis twice, so there will be 2 zeros. Thank you.